Yes, derating is required if a portion of the 5 kV underground cable is installed in a conduit. Several factors influence the derating requirements. Firstly, increased conductor temperature. When a cable is installed in a conduit, heat dissipation is reduced due to the limited airflow. This can lead to higher conductor temperatures. Secondly, thermal resistance of the conduit. The thermal resistance of the conduit affects heat transfer from the cable to the surrounding environment. Conduits with higher thermal resistance, such as plastic, can further increase conductor temperatures. Thirdly, conduit fill. The percentage of cable fill within the conduit also influences heat dissipation. Higher fill ratios can reduce airflow and increase conductor temperatures. The amount of derating required depends on the specific conditions, but generally falls within the range of 10 to 15%. The following formula can be used to calculate the derating factor. Derating factor equals ambient temperature plus delta T divided by allowable conductor temperature, where ambient temperature is the expected ambient temperature around the conduit. Delta T is the increase in conductor temperature caused by the conduit installation. Allowable conductor temperature is the maximum permissible conductor temperature for the cable. To minimize derating, it is recommended to firstly, use conduits with a low thermal resistance such as metal. Secondly, keep the conduit fill ratio below 40%. Thirdly, provide adequate ventilation around the conduit to facilitate heat dissipation. Fourthly, consider using a larger conduit size to reduce thermal resistance. By following these guidelines, it can be ensured that the 5 kV cable operates safely and efficiently despite the partial installation in a conduit.